Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we will discuss the Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0796 related to the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid valve performance in the 2022 Plus Honda Civic. This code signifies that the vehicle's transmission control module, TCM, has detected an issue with the clutch pressure control solenoid valve. This component is crucial for regulating the hydraulic pressure within the continuously variable transmission, CVT, thereby ensuring smooth engagement and disengagement of the clutch. When the torque converter turbine speed does not align with the drive pulley speed under specific conditions, it triggers this code indicating an abnormality. Essentially, if the solenoid is stuck in the off position or is not performing optimally, it can lead to reduced vehicle performance and potential transmission issues. Understanding this error will allow for appropriate diagnostics and repair procedures, vital for maintaining the vehicle's operational integrity. The CVT clutch pressure control solenoid valve is a pivotal component found within the valve body assembly of the Honda Civic CVT. This solenoid is responsible for regulating the hydraulic fluid pressure that controls the operation of the clutch. Its proper functioning is essential to ensure that the torque converter's turbine speed matches the drive pulley speed during operation. If the solenoid sticks or underperforms, it may cause the TCM to identify a mismatch in speeds, triggering DTC P0796. The valve body assembly is located within the transmission, generally requiring disassembly to access this part. By failing to meet performance criteria, this solenoid can affect not only vehicle drivability, but can also lead to further transmission damage if not addressed promptly. There are several potential causes for DTC P0796. Firstly, the most common cause is a faulty CVT clutch pressure control solenoid. If the solenoid is defective or has become stuck in the off position, it will fail to properly control hydraulic pressure, leading to performance issues. Next, wiring issues can also trigger this code. Damaged or corroded wires can obstruct the electrical signals between the solenoid and the TCM, causing miscommunication about the solenoid status. Lastly, a malfunctioning transmission control module can also be a source of the problem. If the TCM is not accurately processing data or controlling output signals, it may misidentify the solenoid's operational state, erroneously storing this DTC. When facing DTC P0796, drivers may experience several distinctive symptoms. A common indicator is poor acceleration. The vehicle may struggle to gain speed as the CVT fails to engage and disengage the clutch correctly. Additionally, there may be delayed gear shifts, which can lead to a noticeable lag in response when changing from park to drive or reversing. This delayed engagement can create an unsettling driving experience and affect overall safety. Another concerning symptom can be transmission overheating, which occurs when the solenoid does not correctly manage hydraulic pressure, leading to excessive strain on the transmission components. Collectively, these symptoms can cause significant operational issues, warranting immediate attention. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC P0796 involves starting the engine while the transmission is in the park P mode. This step ensures that the vehicle is safely initialized before any diagnostics are performed. Once the engine is running, the next action is to shift the transmission to the neutral N position, and then subsequently to drive D mode while ensuring to press the brake pedal. This specific sequence allows the TCM to monitor the status of the CVT operation accurately. It is essential to maintain this position for at least 30 seconds, allowing the TCM to reconcile any discrepancies between the expected and actual behavior of the clutch pressure control. Completing this step establishes a baseline for identifying any existing faults in the circuit or components. In the second troubleshooting step, a vehicle needs to be turned off completely, shifting it into the off-lock mode. This action resets the system and clears any temporary faults that may have been stored in the TCM's memory. After ensuring the vehicle is off, the previously described steps should be repeated. Starting the engine in the park mode again and shifting from neutral to drive will help verify if the issue persists. By repeating these steps, mechanics can confirm whether the DTC P0796 is resolved or if further investigation is needed. This verification process is critical in determining the current state of the solenoid's operation and ensuring reliable diagnostic results. After completing repairs related to DTC P0796, final verification steps are necessary to ensure that the issue is fully resolved. The first action is to clear the DTC from the TCM's memory, which will reset any stored error codes. Following this, a comprehensive test drive of the vehicle is crucial. This will allow the technician to observe the vehicle's performance under regular driving conditions to ensure smooth operation and verify that the solenoid is functioning as intended. Additionally, it is important to monitor for any returning symptoms that could indicate an unresolved issue. If all conditions appear satisfactory and no new DTCs appear, then the repair can be considered successful. Preventative maintenance is essential for avoiding issues related to DTC P0796 in the future. An initial and critical measure is to conduct regular checks of the transmission fluid levels and conditions. Proper fluid is necessary for the reliable operation of the hydraulic system, and low or degraded fluid can lead to solenoid malfunctions. Another aspect is regularly inspecting the wiring and connectors associated with the CVT solenoid. Corrosion or wear over time can result in electrical failures that trigger DTCs. Scheduling periodic system diagnostics will also preemptively identify potential problems before they escalate to significant failures, ensuring that the transmission remains in optimal condition and performs as expected. In conclusion, comprehending the implications of DTC P0796 is crucial for effective diagnostics and repair of the Honda Civic's transmission system. Proper identification and understanding of the clutch pressure control solenoid's role can significantly contribute to resolving transmission-related performance issues. Following the systematic troubleshooting steps outlined ensures a thorough evaluation of the vehicle's transmission function and guarantees accurate repairs. Lastly, engaging in proactive preventive maintenance activities can minimize future occurrences of similar DTCs and enhance the vehicle's longevity. A well-maintained transmission not only ensures smoother operation, but also extends the overall life of the vehicle, making your driving experience more enjoyable and trouble-free. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.